Welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we're going to make something nice, tasty and sweet. Pineapple and coconut pudding. Sit back and relax and enjoy the show. So first up, we're going to put the ingredients together for the pineapple and coconut pudding. So we have here 2/3 a cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of rice flour, 1/3 cup of caster sugar, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, 1/3 cup of plain yogurt, 50 grams of melted butter, 1 egg lightly beaten, and 440 grams of crushed pineapple, and we reserve the juice for later. And we're going to mix it all together. I'm going to divide the mixture evenly into these molds, which I have lightly greased. So this is the second step to our pudding. I'm going to gently melt 50 grams of butter into the pot. And we have half a cup of caster sugar. I'll add that in as well. And the reserved pineapple juice. And I will gently stir that. And just heat this until the butter melts. So this is ready now. I'm going to pour them evenly into each mold. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven for 35 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Voila! This is best served with ice cream. That was delicious, everyone. You definitely must try this one. I hope to see you next time. See ya! Oh, oh no! Take two. Sleep. Take three. Take four.
I think it's coming.